Yeah, I'd like you to meet Jim Griffin. Jim is one of our clients we've been working with, I think, nearly 2 years now on a whole range of different products.
Jim.
Good morning.
Jim Griffin is Managing Director of Automotive Insulations, based in Rugby, half an hour's drive from Warwick. As the name suggests, it's a company specialising in sound insulation systems for cars. And yes, there is still an important Midlands auto industry, despite the demise of some famous manufacturers over the years. He's got some local customers. Jim Griffin led a management buyout 6 years ago after he'd refocused the company following the collapse of one very famous Midlands car firm, MG Rover. Automotive Insulations is now designing its noise reduction systems itself rather than merely reproducing its customers' designs. And using tactics like that, and with advice from Warwick Manufacturing Group, even in hard times, Jim Griffin's firm has managed to grow at an annual 30% for the past 3 years.
It woke us up, the recession did. It woke us up to you can't keep doing things the same way all the time.
So you came here in response to awful storm clouds gathering, because you didn't actually have a recession in 2007. You just saw it coming from what was happening in the financial scene.
Yeah, I mean, 2007 really hurt the business. We were struggling. We were lucky with winning a little bit of business to keep us going, but we weren't growing. We were so engrossed into just one manufacturer. We needed to find out how to find new markets. So we went out to find new markets within our current industry, how to engage those buyers. But it was about how to engage our own staff to help them innovate with us, because if you don't have your staff on board, then you can't actually move your business forward. We have a very strong business plan now that says we don't trade more than 30% with any one company.
And that's an absolute rule, is it?
It's an absolute rule, yeah. It does tweak a little bit, but we're always looking at the next project to dilute it.
And was that a lesson you learned from here, or one you came to your own conclusion about?
That was a lesson I learned when I thought I was going to lose my house.
Right. It's good, though, now, is it? You've got a future that you didn't have in 2007.
We have a very good future now. We have a good product range. We have some very unique equipment. We've also designed processes that are unique to us. And we have 5 pieces of equipment on our site that don't exist anywhere else in the world. And they bring us a lot of work in. Because we're looking at diversification and because we're looking abroad, I'm talking now with a company in India to be able to supply the same components in India for their local market. It will keep adding the growth to our business, and hopefully that will keep bringing innovation, because each new connection we make brings new ideas, new thoughts. Because at the moment we are just automotive, but there is noise around us everywhere. So we can take our products to other markets, to go within buildings or to go within trains and planes. We could do the trains, planes and automobiles.
Jim Griffin of Automotive Insulations, based in Rugby.